Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today is just going to be a quick video of me cleaning up a Stanley Handyman 8-inch adjustable wrench. So sit back, relax, and watch how I clean this wrench up. Here's what the wrench looked like before we started. This is the wrench after I soaked it overnight in Evapor-Rust and then used a wire wheel to clean it up. For some reason, I didn't film using the wire wheel. Knocker Loose is a really good penetrating solvent. I'm using a dental pick to clean up the head of the pin. You want to find a slotted screwdriver or bit that fits the head of the pin just right so it doesn't have any slop. I'm using an 80 grit disc on my angle grinder. With my orbital sander, I will start out with 100 grit, 150 grit, 220 grit, 320 grit, and then 400 grit sanding discs. I'm using the black rouge on my buffing wheel to shine this wrench up. Here's what the wrench looked like before I started. And I'm calling this project done. I'm using a Rust-Oleum metallic paint and primer in one. The color is turquoise. So hopefully you enjoyed this restoration. It was just a quick one, just to give you something to see. I've been working on a lot of adjustable wrenches, so now, and playing with different paint schemes and colors. So hopefully you enjoyed this one and you like the color. So as always, please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Faust. Thanks for watching.